Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove app drawer on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to remove the app drawer on your device allows you to customize the user experience according to your preferences. And also, by removing the app drawer, all your installed applications will be displayed directly on the home screen, similar to older versions of Android or some custom launcher setups. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, and then scroll down the page and select home screen option. Okay, so here, tap on the first one. And in this page, select home screen only and click apply option. Well, and then the app drawer on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove app drawer on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.